LSI's High Availability Kit will use two standard volume level servers with an inexpensive JBOD enclosure to create a robust host server application environment that remains up during a server failure. The configuration is easily implemented and managed with the Microsoft Windows Server 8 clustering software. This is a typical two-server HA setup in a data center or small business. In this setup, the client's or end-user system connects through a switch via Ethernet to Server 1 and Server 2. Each server has an LSI HA-DAS MegaRAID controller with 2x4 external SAS connectors. The connectors cable out into a JBOD storage enclosure redundantly. This allows each server access to all of the drives in the JBOD while also allowing the HA controllers to communicate with each other. With the Microsoft Windows clustering software running, Server 1 and Server 2 are each supplying the client with a separate application, in this case a video, each one sourcing different drives in the JBOD. There are two different cases where applications will need to failover. Operational failover can be enacted manually for purposes of performing maintenance on one of the servers, or in order to balance the application load across the CPUs. Incidental failover happens automatically when one of the servers running an application stops functioning. For operational failover, we will move an application running on Server 2 over to Server 1. Using the Microsoft Cluster software in the Services and Applications window, we right-click on the application file system that we are moving to Server 1. Select Move the service or application to another node. Click Move to Node Server Node 1 and click one more time to confirm. An hourglass will appear in the status category with the word Pending. After a couple of seconds, the application will move from Server 2 to Server 1 with little or no interruption to the application. For incidental failover, we will start with our applications running on Server 2. This time, we will terminate Server 2 abruptly. The Services and Applications window will track the failover transition. Notice the hourglass appears at the instant it determines Server 2 is dead. You can see both applications move to Server 1 with little or no interruption to either application. The failover transition will appear to be transparent to the applications, and both applications will continue to run without the end user's knowledge there has been a failure on Server 2.